Have you ever been caught off guard by a laptop crash or no internet on site? Let's make sure you're always one step ahead. Today, I'll show you how to enable smart backups and stay productive even offline. Just a quick tip before we dive in. You can enable backups instantly from the status bar. Just look at the bottom right corner of your remote desktop manager interface. But for full control, let's go through the proper setup via your workspace settings. Start by going to the top menu and selecting File, then Workspaces. Click Edit on your active SQLite workspace, then navigate to the Backup tab. From here, enable the File Backup method. You can choose where to store your backup files. Ideally, a cloud-synced folder like OneDrive or Dropbox. This makes sure your backup is both local and remotely available if something ever goes wrong. Next, click into the Triggers tab. This is where you decide when backups happen. By default, Remote Desktop Manager creates a backup every time you modify an entry. It's a smart and efficient setup for solo IT workflows. Now that backups are running, head over to File, then Backup. From here, you can quickly update backup settings, manually create a backup, view your backup history, and even compare changes between versions. Need to roll back? Just select the version you want and hit Restore. Now, let's talk offline access. If you're using a local SQLite workspace, you're already offline. Your vault is stored right on your device. So even without a network, your entries and credentials are still accessible. But keep in mind, offline means you're disconnected from the workspace. While you can still browse your entries, remote sessions like RDP, SSH, or web sessions won't work without a network connection. Now, if you're using Devolutions Cloud, which is cloud-based, you'll need to manually switch to offline mode. Just go to File, then click on Go Offline. And if your network drops unexpectedly, Remote Desktop Manager will prompt you to go offline automatically, so you can keep working without disruption. In the next chapter, we'll go even faster. I'll show you how to save clicks, speed up access, and streamline your daily routine using Remote Desktop Manager's powerful tools. So let's boost your workflow in Chapter 4.